Electrification isn't the future, it's happening right now. Every day, customers are coming to us, whether they're from government, transport, industry, from strata, or even from homes, looking for electrification solutions to help meet their sustainability goals. At Electrify EV, we make this journey possible. And a huge part of that is our genuine partnership with Schneider Electric as an e-mobility EcoXpert partner, which has helped us to develop the expertise to engineer, install, commission and service integrated EV charging systems. Whether it's new construction or retrofit, every project has its challenges. We've recently completed the design and implementation of 2 substantial projects in Sydney, where our Australian first EV charging solution has met every expectation of the customer. Both customers required full package solutions, including EV charging, software, and load management. On top of that, the solutions needed to meet incredibly stringent technical standards, such as fire safety, electrical safety, and even seismic restraint, but also be cost effective and provide the option for efficient future expansion. The solution we implemented was the Schneider Charge Pro EV chargers with the EV Charging Expert load management system and the Canalis bus duct as the power distribution backbone. The great thing about these products as a whole solution is that they're incredibly reliable, they're fast to install, and they're designed for scalability, meaning that the building is future ready as tenants transition to electric vehicles. Compared to previous traditional copper cabling installations, the Canalis bus duct solution has enabled us to cut materials from kilometres to metres and installation times from weeks to days, resulting in an overall saving of 30% to our customer, which made one project turn from not feasible to feasible and installed. Our team's really proud to be able to deliver these projects and drive electrification in Australia. And what's made it all possible is our partnership with Schneider Electric.